In the barcode tags, a new feature has been added that allows users to decide whether they want to include the prices by selecting yes or no in the configurations. By verifying the price from the barcode tag, workshop personnel can ensure the accuracy in the billing and prevent any discrepancies, such as undercharging for the services. This enhancement will improve the billing accuracy and ensure consistency on the pricing based on the work performed. As you can see here in the configurations, we have an option called item price. If you select it as no and click on save, you can see the price is removed. If in case you want to show the price, click on yes and save the configurations accordingly. You can see here the price is now visible. Now in the print QR tags option, let's select a few tags and see the preview. As you can see here, the item prices are mentioned in the each tag for the respective garment. I hope you now understand how you can add prices in the tags for the workshop reference. Thank you.